So I got everything milled up. I got the big old log that was in my neighbor's backyard cut up. That was a real bear because needed a new chain the whole time. This one right here, I sharpened it, but it still wasn't quite good enough. I went ahead and bought a new chain for it. Go on, get out here. And now if you're doing this, you have to get a skip tooth chain or a ripping chain. If you go like this, that's cross cut. This is ripping. So anyways, worked out a whole lot better. And with this Blackjack Oak right here, a lot of it is rotten. You know, termites have gotten into it and stuff, all kinds of little creatures. But as a whole, I got some damn good wood there that I'll be able to build something really pretty with, because I don't know how much you can see on camera, but this shit is got a beautiful grain to it. So as soon as you smooth it all out, get it all nice and finished, and then you polyurethane over that, it's going to just pop really, really nicely. I got two projects in mind. One would be I hate those airplanes, but they're not too bad. So anyways, one would be a poker table, because it's Blackjack Oak. All right. The other would be like this portion right here, a guitar body, an electric guitar. That'd be pretty sweet, wouldn't it? Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm out.